You keep on your boat. You and I just spending my mode. See fear, how do you remain afloat? Cities keep burning, the smoke fills our throats.
Wading in the water, I've been drifting out to sea. You see my vibrancy's been alive within me, floating in the day. But highs inside these eyes, I seem to glisten while they wait. Losing sleep as this reality is taking over me. And you must be mistaken if you think you're truly free.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to Half Baked Hair Reviews. If you're returning, as always, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new to this channel, just smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload my reviews on old units, new units, everyday slays, and everything in between. So today, the unit that I'm going to be reviewing for you is yet another new 13x7 Bobbi Boss unit. This one is called the MBL004 London. So if you're interested in seeing a couple of ways that I styled this unit and finding out the beautiful construction of this luscious hair, then just stay tuned for this video.
Shorty wrote a sad song that y'all know. Low, it wasn't that long that y'all broke. Oh, let's get right, let's get right. Shorty wrote a song for the rest getting back. You can get it wrong, wanna risk it right. You can be alone, wanna risk it high. Let's all get it on, bet it on, let's be all. Judging you for, you wanna make it and let's be gone. But let's get high, let's get high. I wrote a song for the rest getting by. Fuck what is wrong, homie, let's get right. You can be alone while the rest get high. Let's all get it on, bet it on, let's be all. Fuck what they're judging you for, you wanna make it then let's be gone. Shorty wrote a sad song that y'all know. Low. All my songs on the less than lights. I don't need a home, leave alone, best be gone. When can we talk? I wanna kick these thoughts, wanna ditch being lost. But let's get high, let's get high. I wanna forget about it if that's alright. Always been undercover, a mess, alright. When it's over, I need to catch my ride. But let's get right, let's get right. Don't wanna feel down, reset this life. Can we just talk if that's alright? Started all wrong, man, sing this song. Shorty wrote a sad song that y'all know. Low, it wasn't that long that y'all broke. Oh.
Lost in my thoughts, these endorphins I found. Got me so high, I'm not coming down. Knocking out loud with my feet off the ground. Head to the sky cause I'm feeling profound. Fly through the crying and all the compounds. Fly through the violence and all the surrounds. Cut through the silence and finding the sound. Spreading the guidance and lining the bounds. Writing it down, fighting around. Hiding inside, I've been eyeing it now. Been getting high just to balance the lows. I've been so low, there was no way to go. Buried emotions and lost all control. Death of devotions is taking a toll. Drowning the negatives, taking a hold. Down in the set, it is taking
Shorty
a
wrote a
load.
sad song that y'all know. Low, it wasn't that long that y'all broke. Oh.
So I feel like it's obvious the glamour that is going on in this whole situation here. Like, you plop this on your head and you look like you're about to go to a gala, a photo shoot, a prom, a ball. Like, Look at this. And it's so full, so thick. I'm wearing it in the color 1B. It's very thick. It's very full. It does have the 2 combs that go like in the middle of the head, 1 comb in the back, as well as your adjustable band and adjustable straps. So you do definitely have a good amount of security. This definitely is small, medium, and big head friendly. This, just like a lot of the other Bobbi Boss units, you definitely do have to put some customization into. The baby hairs are long and thick, so I did have to go in and cut them down and pluck them out, but I feel like it was worth it for the final look, definitely. But as far as just leaving them as they are, I honestly don't really think you can get away with it because they literally look like bangs. Like, where are you going with that? So this is everything to the front. It's very long and very full. This is to the side. As you can tell, it's pretty long. I'm standing on my tippy toes. And this is everything to the back. So if you're somebody who likes big full hair, this will definitely be for you. But I definitely should give a disclaimer. As far as tangling and shedding, honey, the tangling on this bad boy is crazy. The shedding, not so much, but the tangling is like, it's not overwhelming, but like, let me just tell you, I'm somebody who likes to kind of play in my hair, and I kind of get used to it. It's sort of some tangles, some snags here and there, some shedding, but like, honey, like, it's so pretty, you just want to touch it, but don't touch it. This is really that look, but do not touch hair. Like, look at all this beauty, don't touch it. That's literally what this is, you guys. So I would classify this as a special occasion unit 100%. The texture, I want to say, is maybe like a medium yaki, because it's not silky at all, which I definitely love. I definitely would not recommend wearing this bad boy every day if you're trying to get good wear out of it. I feel like you could make it last if you've got some foaming moves, you got a wide tooth comb, you're not really playing and running your fingers through it. So I feel like this is definitely a keeper. Like, I don't know, I want to like go out and pop out right now. So that's pretty much all I have to say about this unit. I hope you guys liked it. I'm still excited about trying more of the 13x7 units because they have not disappointed me yet. Thank you so much for checking this video out. If you like it, just give me a like, subscribe if you're not subscribed yet, and until then, I hope to see you soon. Bye.